Back, Visa's another company in the earnings parade this week. The payments giant.
This robot, I should say, stumbling around your screens before.
So, Dom, Visa is announcing a new AI shopping tool.
They're claiming last night in the reveal that it's outperforming the competition. That means it's
to be able to just, say whether it's groceries or a specific gift that I'm trying.
Everything we do starts with software, and everything we do is in service of all the software developers.
What if we told you that robots can now clean your house without prior training? An AI is outsmarting human scientists. That's not sci-fi, that's reality, happening right now. In today's video, we dive into mind-blowing developments in robotics, game-changing updates from OpenAI and Microsoft, the future of AI shopping, and a bold warning from Anthropic that could reshape the way we work. Stay tuned, because you won't want to miss what's coming next in the world of artificial intelligence. Chapter 1: Robotics Revolution. Boston Dynamics and NVIDIA. Robotics learn without touching the real world. Boston Dynamics has teamed up with NVIDIA to make a bold leap in robotics. They use the upper body of their new Atlas robot, called MTS, paired with NVIDIA's Isaac Lab simulator. Here's what's amazing. The robot learned entirely through simulations. No physical training, no trial and error in the real world. This is called zero-shot learning, and it means robots are starting to bridge the gap between theory and practice, almost like imagination turning into action. In the demo, the robot handled everyday objects smoothly thanks to NVIDIA's Dexter AHRGB pipeline. The implications? We may soon have factory and household robots that learn fast, adapt instantly, and operate efficiently right out of the box. PieZero, cleaning Airbnbs with zero practice. In another jaw-dropping update, startup PieZero has created a robotic system that can clean unfamiliar environments without ever being trained on that specific place. Imagine a robot entering a stranger's home and tidying up just by listening to voice instructions. That's exactly what PieZero's robot did in test runs across multiple Airbnbs in San Francisco. This tech relies on foundation models, massive AI systems trained on broad data that generalize across different homes and layouts. Backed by giants like Amazon and OpenAI, PieZero's focus isn't on making robots, they're building the brains behind them, which could power humanoid platforms from Tesla, Figure, and more. XPeng Zion, China's answer to humanoid robotics. Over in China, electric vehicle manufacturer XPeng is making bold strides into the rapidly evolving field of humanoid robotics with the unveiling of their AI-powered robot, aptly named Iron. This next-generation machine is designed to mimic human movement and perform tasks with impressive precision. Through the use of reinforcement learning, Iron has been trained using countless hours of simulated and real-world data, allowing it to not only walk with a more natural, fluid gait, but also to execute a wide range of physical actions, such as picking up objects, maintaining balance, and navigating complex environments. What sets Iron apart is its ability to learn and refine its behavior over time, just like a living being would. By leveraging advanced AI models and continuous feedback loops, XPeng is building a robot that doesn't simply follow pre-programmed instructions but instead adapts to changing scenarios with improved autonomy and decision-making. The company's vision is to integrate robotics with everyday life, making Iron a potential game-changer, not just in industrial settings, but possibly in healthcare, customer service, and domestic assistance in the future. This development highlights how China is positioning itself at the forefront of global AI and robotics innovation, bringing us one step closer to a world where machines are not just tools, but interactive, intelligent partners. Chapter 2: AI beating human experts. OpenAI's O3 model outsmarts 94% of virologists. OpenAI has quietly rolled out a new model codenamed O3, and it's causing a stir in the scientific community. In rigorous virus threat modeling, O3 scored higher than 94% of human virologists. Yes, you heard that right. An AI is now better than most experts at analyzing virus capabilities. While this opens new possibilities for vaccine research and drug discovery, it also comes with serious biosecurity concerns. If such models fall into the wrong hands, they could potentially be misused to design biological weapons. This is why calls for stronger AI oversight are getting louder. Anthropic warns, AI employees may replace humans soon. Meanwhile, AI safety company Anthropic has raised red flags about AI agents behaving like virtual employees. These agents would have roles, goals, logins, and even access to company resources. The scary part? They might be just months away from entering corporate workflows. This brings up tough questions. Can they be trusted? How do you audit them? And who's responsible if they make a mistake? Anthropic warns that cybersecurity rules must evolve quickly to manage these new digital co-workers before it's too late. Meta's Llama 4, hype meets reality. Not everything is going well in the world of big AI companies. Meta's new language model, Llama 4, was expected to be one of the best. People were very excited about it and had high hopes. But now, reports say that the model isn't performing as well as expected. It seems to be falling behind other top AI models in terms of speed, reasoning, and accuracy. Some people inside the company are disappointed, saying that Llama 4 didn't reach the goals that were set for it. Because of this, there have been delays in its rollout, and some top executives at Meta are said to be frustrated with the slow progress. Even though Meta still has millions of users through Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp, it might need to rethink its AI plans. If it wants to keep up with companies like OpenAI, Google, and Anthropic, Meta could need a fresh strategy to stay competitive in the fast-moving AI race. Chapter 3: AI's Growing Brain Power, Sherlock Bench. Can AI think like a scientist? A new tool called Sherlock Bench has been introduced. It doesn't just test what an AI knows, it checks how well it can think like a real scientist. Instead of just answering easy facts or trivia questions, this test challenges AI to do much more. The AI needs to ask smart questions, guess what might happen, just like scientists make a hypothesis, come up with ways to test those guesses, and then figure out what the results mean. So far, the AI model called O4 Mini from OpenAI is doing the best on this new test. It's showing that it can reason, solve problems, and think through complex ideas almost like a human researcher. This could be a big step forward. If AI keeps getting better at thinking like a scientist, it might help humans make new discoveries in medicine, space, energy, and more faster than ever before. Microsoft's Nextcoder leaks point to new coding AI. At the same time, Microsoft is quietly developing a new artificial intelligence tool called Nextcoder, which was recently discovered on the AI sharing platform Hugging Face. Nextcoder is designed to be really good at writing and understanding computer code. Unlike some models that try to learn everything, Nextcoder focuses only on the most important and useful information for coding. This smart learning approach is called selective knowledge transfer, which simply means it learns exactly what it needs, nothing more, nothing less. Although Microsoft hasn't officially announced it yet, experts believe Nextcoder could become a strong competitor to popular tools like GitHub Copilot or the ChatGPT code interpreter. If it works as planned, Nextcoder might help developers write code faster, fix bugs more easily, and Elon Musk's Grok 3.5, reasoning from first principles. Elon Musk has recently teased Grok 3.5, the newest version of his AI-powered chatbot from xAI. This updated version is designed to think and reason more like a physicist.
Of the Grok AI chatbot from Elon Musk's company xAI, and they're claiming last night in the reveal that it's outperforming the competition. That means it's better than DeepSeek, better than ChatGPT.
Starting from basic, fundamental truths and gradually building up to more complex answers. Essentially, it's trying to think from the ground up, just like how a scientist would approach a problem. If it lives up to its promises, Grok 3.5 could become a strong competitor to some of the best AI models out there, like those from OpenAI and Anthropic, especially when it comes to solving problems that require a lot of logical thinking. This new version could make a big difference in fields that demand deep, logical reasoning, and it might just change the game in AI development. Chapter 4: AI in Everyday Life. OpenAI brings shopping inside ChatGPT. Imagine shopping without annoying ads or pop-up distractions. Well, that's exactly what ChatGPT now offers. OpenAI has added a new shopping feature to ChatGPT. You no longer have to scroll through endless advertisements or unwanted promotions. Simply tell ChatGPT what you're looking for, and it will show you product comparisons, reviews, prices, and links to where you can buy the item. It's like having a smart personal shopper at your fingertips, helping you make decisions without any of the typical shopping noise. So, if you're tired of all the extra stuff that comes with online shopping, this feature might just be your new favorite tool. Visa. AI will shop and pay for you. In the near future, shopping could become even easier thanks to AI, and Visa's CEO has some exciting news.
Consumers will vote with their feet, and they'll want their agents to go do a significant portion of their shopping with better outcomes.
Visa also announcing a way to make it easier to pay with cryptocurrency, and the CEO.
Imagine an AI agent that shops for you. With Visa's new plan, this AI will use Visa-enabled wallets to make purchases on your behalf. You simply set your spending limits and preferences, and the AI takes care of everything else. It browses for items, picks what you want, and even handles the payment, all automatically. It's like having your own personal shopping assistant who never forgets what you like and always sticks to your budget. No more second guessing or last-minute impulse buys. The AI does it all for you, and best of all, it doesn't have any of the emotional attachment that sometimes leads to overspending. Chapter 5. What's next? Stuart Russell. Scaling isn't enough for AGI. UC Berkeley professor Stuart Russell has warned that just scaling models won't lead to true artificial general intelligence, AGI. He believes we need models that understand goals, context, and values, not just more data and bigger servers. His comments push back against the current scale is everything approach used by most labs, OpenAI's strategy with open models. Finally, OpenAI has confirmed they will release a powerful open-weight model soon. While it won't be their most advanced, it's expected to be just one generation behind the best. This strategy helps OpenAI stay ahead globally while giving researchers a safer model to explore. AI is no longer a niche, it's becoming part of everything we do. From robots learning new tasks without touching the real world to AI agents preparing to take over your email and shopping carts, we are witnessing the next phase of technological transformation. But with great power comes great responsibility. Will we use AI to solve our biggest problems, or create new ones we can't control? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Are you excited about a robot butler, or worried about an AI coworker who never sleeps? If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit that like button and subscribe to stay on top of the AI revolution. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.